Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are a regular YouTube user and you've heard about YouTube Premium Lite, you might be wondering if it's worth the subscription. Does it offer enough to justify the price tag, or is it just a cash grab from Google? Let's dive into this new offering and break it down in today's video. Let's get into it. But before, I would love to let you know that I will leave you the link of YouTube Premium Lite in the description if you want to sign up through it and give it a go. And now let's go back to our subject. First then, let's talk about what YouTube Premium Lite actually is. YouTube Premium Lite is a new, more affordable version of YouTube Premium. It's essentially a stripped down version that lets you enjoy some of the main benefits of YouTube Premium, but at a lower cost. For just around $6 per month, YouTube Premium Lite gives you ad-free videos across YouTube, YouTube Music, and also in YouTube Kids. Pretty cool, right? But there are some key features that it doesn't include that Premium does. While YouTube Premium Lite gets rid of ads, you still miss out on a few important features. The first big one is the ability to download videos from online viewing. YouTube Premium lets you download videos to your device for watching on the go, but Lite doesn't. Another key feature missing is YouTuber's background play. Premium lets you listen to videos or music while you are using other apps or when your phone screen is off. Unfortunately, that's not available with the Lite version. Lastly, YouTube Premium subscribers also get access to YouTube Originals, exclusive content from big creators and celebrities. Premium Lite does not include that either. Now let's talk about the positives. First of all, the biggest perk is that you get an ad-free experience. If you are someone who is tired of skipping ads every few minutes, YouTube Premium Lite removes them, so you can enjoy your content without any interruptions. Secondly, YouTube Music is included for anyone who loves streaming music. This could be a huge win. You get access to YouTube Music's catalog and you can listen to songs without interruptions from ads. And of course, it's cheaper than the full premium plan, making it more accessible to a wider audience. Now let's compare Premium Lite with the full YouTube Premium plan. The full plan, priced at around $12 per month, gives you like everything in Lite, plus the ability to download videos, background play, and access to YouTube Originals. So if you are someone who enjoys having offline or likes to listen to videos while using other apps, the full plan might be more suitable for you. But if you mostly watch videos online and are okay with ads interrupting your viewing experience on occasion, the Lite version may be more than enough. So is YouTube Premium Lite worth it? Honestly, it depends on how you use YouTube. If you are tired of ads and don't mind of missing out some of the features like downloads or background play, then yes, it's definitely worth it, and also it's affordable. Offers a lot of value and makes your YouTube experience much smoother. However, if you are someone who travels a lot and needs offline access, or you love background play for multitasking, you might want to consider going for the full YouTube Premium plan. But for those who just want an ad-free experience at a cheaper price, YouTube Premium Lite is a great option. Before we wrap up, I would love to hear your thoughts on YouTube Premium Lite. Have you tried it? Is the cheaper price point tempting enough for you, or do you prefer the full premium experience? Let me know in the comments below. If you are considering trying YouTube Premium Lite, I will leave the link in the description so you can sign up and give it a try. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel if you found this video helpful, and see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.